Chiranjur Nanakkar swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji according to law, and I will obey, observe, uphold and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji and the rights of the people, and will do justice to all persons in the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji and all other laws of Fiji.
Your Honour, congratulations and welcome to Fiji. Aloha.
Once again, congratulations, sir.
There we go.